Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Reaching Riches here. So today we are going to go over the trades that RoundHill did for the 25th all the way to the 29th. Just keep in mind that we did have Thanksgiving, so it is a short week, so we can expect a lower dividend for this payout period. And this is going to get declared on the 11th of December. So uh, we'll look forward to that. Alright, so gonna try something new here. Just kind of finished it up earlier, so we're gonna try this out and then we can run through the numbers after. Alright, so I've already selected the date to be the 25th here. We'll just drag this across. Alright, so how did we do for QDTE for this week? Just for context, today is the 2nd, so it is Monday. So I'm just going over this ahead of time. Alright, so here we go. Let's see how they did. So Monday strike at they had a strike of 21.90 and they collected what, 128,000, and looks like they're gonna win this one. Yep. All right, and then Tuesday they had a strike of 29.30 and they collected a massive 1.15 million in premium. So good job there. It looked like that was a win. And then Wednesday, strike of 29.70 and they collected 162,000. And then there's no Thursday because it's a holiday, and then Friday, oh, looks like we got blown out. So Friday we had a strike of 28.40 and we collected 426,000 on that day. So it's pretty decent premium, but we did get blown out. Let's look at the stats here. So Monday was 0.82% of the money. Tuesday was 0.28% of the money. Wednesday 0.56. Thursday was a holiday, and then Friday 0.33. So we lost for just one day, but that cost us a ton. That cost us 2.49 million to to close that out. So huge loss. We collected a total of what, 1.8 million in premium. So it's a pretty decent amount of premium for a 4-day week. But yeah, that loss was huge. Average out of the money was 0.5% out the money. Current outstanding shares is 13.6 million, and we're looking at a dividend estimate of 0.14, so 14-cent dividend here. All right, so this is XDTE trading on the SPY. Let's see how they did. So I got it loaded up over here, and let's go and find out. So here we go. Looks like Monday strike was 60.40. Premium collected was 37,200, so not very much at all. But it looks like it's a clear win. It's way under our strike up here. Tuesday was 60.10 and our premium was 331,000, so much higher than Monday's. It's oh man, it's like right on that line, and it's a loss. So we had to take a loss on that Tuesday. Wednesday was a 60.40 strike, and we collected what, $70,000, so good there. And it looks like it's gonna be a clear winner here. Thursday again is a holiday, so there's nothing gonna be there. But Friday was a strike of 60.20, and we collected 153,000 here. But that was a huge loss. Oh my god, that thing finished way above. Alright, so let's look at the numbers here. So out of the money here on Monday was 0.8, Tuesday 0.17, Wednesday 0.43, Thursday was a holiday. Friday 0.27. Losses, or sorry, premiums. We collected 600,000, so not very much at all. Losses is 980,000 in losses. So not good. This one really blew us out. So that hurt right there. Average out of the money was 0.41, and outstanding shares right now is uh, outstanding shares is 4.7 million, and then our dividend estimate is going to be 13 cents, so a little higher than QDTE. Um, but yeah, 13 cents. But keep in mind, it's a short week. We lost 1 day of trading here. Alright, so let's go and take a look at the Russell. So the Russell, let me get over here. Give me a second. Alright, so the Russell, let's go and see how they did. So Russell, Monday strike of 24.50, collecting 352,000 in premium. Oh man, the Russell is wild, way above the strike, back down and above again. And then looks like, yep, it finished below the strike. Looks like it sold the same, so 24.50 again, collecting 93,000 in premium. But that was a huge drop over from Monday to Tuesday. Looks like we're gonna win this one also. Good job there. Yep, it was a clear win. Gap up here. So Wednesday strike is 24.55, collecting what, 394,000. That's huge. That's a big day right there. Looks like it's gonna be a win here. And Friday. So Friday was a 24.65 strike, collecting 120,000. So that's a big premium day also. Looks like that's a win, so good job there. So they took 4 wins this week, so that's awesome. Alright, so out of the money on Monday was 1.28, Tuesday was 0.45, Wednesday was 1.02, and Friday was 1.32. So they're pretty far out of the money on all of these, except for Tuesday, but for the most part they're far out of the money. Premium collected was 960,000, so that's a big premium day there. They collected what, more premium in RDTE than they did in XDTE. Average out of the money was 0.12. There were no losses, so they won every single trade that they did. Outstanding shares right now is sitting at 2.9 million, and we're looking at a 33-cent dividend. Wow, imagine if we did have a 4 or 5 trading days, that'd probably kick it up to like closer to the 40-cent dividend range. Sorry, I'm feeling a little under the weather. Alright, so just wanted to test this way of displaying the data to you guys. So let me know if you guys like it. If you do, I'll continue doing it. If not, then I can go back to the spreadsheets. But for now, we'll go back to the spreadsheets to see a little bit more of the data, and then we'll move on to the charts. Alright, so here's QDTE. So kind of already went over this. So 4 wins, 1 loss. Took that 2.4 million, almost 5 million loss here. We are still sitting at a 70% win rate, so that's awesome. XDTE, just a quick recap: 3 wins, 2 losses. 980 loss and 600 collected in premium. That did bump us under the 70% win rate. And then RDTE here, all wins throughout the whole week, so that's awesome. It's 2 losses, 2 wins. This just automatically says win because it's a holiday. Alright, so let's go here. So 33-cent dividend on RDTE, 74% win rate on RDTE also, so a higher win rate so far. Alright, let's go into the analysis. So we are expecting, I think, did it round it up? Sorry. Look like this is not right. Let me just double check this. This is showing higher than what I was expecting. Um, 235. Oh, that's why. That's why. So let me fix that. Sorry about that. I think they're probably might all be a little bit high. Let me just fix all of these. Okay. There we go. Okay, there we go. So round it up. It's gonna be 14 cents here. All right. So looking at their long calls right now, it's worth 31 million. Right now they have 35 million in losses on QDTE, so that's a net loss of 4 million right here. Still in the hole, so hopefully we can get out of the hole, quit losing. Um, Gross premium so far is 50 million. What they've actually paid out, it's pretty close so far, 50 million, but my data is lagging 2 weeks because they haven't announced these two yet. So once they announce it, this is definitely going to go up and it's going to outpace the total gross. Like I said, total loss is 35 million. Total dividends paid so far is $10.61. Average dividend has been trending lower. As you can see, they've all been kind of like in the 20s. So this is no longer an average dividend of 30 cents. It's now an average dividend of 29. Price right now is 42.65. NAV is 1 cent lower at 42.64. All right, so XDTE here. XDTE is doing a lot better here. So we are looking at a 12-cent dividend there, or if you round it up, 13 cents. Right now, if we sold all our long calls, we would make 17 million. Our total losses is 10 million. So we are up 6.6 million. So we would profit if we sold these and netted against the losses. Alright, total gross premium so far is 12 million. Actually paid out is 11.8 million, so that's good. We're not overpaying. Total dividends paid is 8.21, so $8.21. Average dividend is 23 cents. Price is sitting at 53.06 and NAV is 53. So getting a 6 cent premium if you're buying in right now. Alright, so RDTE here. So RDTE, if we sold it, we would make 9.7 million. Total losses is 5.5, so we are in the positive 4.1 million. So good job there. RoundHill has been killing it. Total gross premium so far is 5.1 million, and what they've actually paid out so far is 4.2. So we are way ahead right now, so that's good. Let's keep that lead. Dividends paid so far is $3.18. Keep in mind this has only been out since like September 10, so that's a pretty good dividend so far. Average dividend is 32 cents right now. Price is sitting at 45.45 and NAV is 45.37, so you are paying a bit of a premium to buy this right now. Alright, so let's move on to the charts here. So the charts, this is since inception until today. So I took a GPIQ and I've added YMAX in here. There's been a lot of talk about it lately, so I thought I'd just throw it in here. So here we go. YMAG is leading the pack at 24%. QDTE is at 17. YMAX is at 16. QQQ, JPQ, QQQI, and then QQQY, bottom of the barrel there. Alright, and then let's go look at XDTE here, so kind of similar story. YMAG, XDTE, SPY, and then YMAX. SPY, Jeppy, and bottom of the barrel is Defiance WDTE. And then this one was actually surprising here. This is RDTE, so this is since September 10 until today. So YMAX here at 19%, RDTE at 16, YMAG at 15. So I was actually pretty surprised YMAX was beating it. Their performance is pretty good. So if we look at here, looked like it was kind of trending with everyone else, and then it just sort of branching out on its own. So this is actually interesting, and I'm gonna start taking a deeper look into WiMAX. I think whatever they did with their perspectives change is actually helping them. So I might actually buy back in. I sold them a few months ago. So now that they're actually doing really well, could also be the crypto run right now. But they're doing really well. I'll consider buying back in. But yeah, so they are beating RDTE and WiMAX, so that's pretty crazy. So uh, but yeah, so all of these RoundHills are beating their underlines right now, so that's great. That is our benchmark, so we're killing it right now. All right, so that's all I had for you guys. Let me know what you guys think about the new format with these moving charts. Took a little while to build it, but I think it's pretty cool. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are, and let me know what your guys' thoughts are on the dividends. So 13.7 on QDTE, 12 on XDTE, and 33 on RDTE. All right, and then these are gonna get paid out on the 13th. So declaration on the 11th, paid out on the 13th. All right, so that's all I had for you guys. Let me know what you guys think, and I'm out.